Hello everyone, this is King Kong IoT. In this video, I will tell you how to use this AirPlay radio remote to control our relay box. It's a new way to control our relay box, such as by this switch or by this play joke. So it will be very interesting. So let's begin. How to do this? Control our board. This is a FlySky FS i6X remote, and this is controlled by the AirPlay, so we can have many switches. And this is the joke, and this is the receive mode. So the first step, we need to know how to decode this signal from the remote send the signal. This is the remote receive module. So we can see these pins are channel 1 to channel 10, and this is VCC for power supply. So we can use this max 10 channel to connect with the Arduino board, this Arduino board. So we can use this receive module, connect with this Arduino board to decode this signal, and the Arduino board will connect to our 32B relay controller to control the relay on and the off. So the first step, we need to know this module, what signal output from this remote. This is channel 1. Channel 1 this is channel 1. And channel 2, this is channel 2. And this is channel 3. And this is channel 4. And this is channel 5. And channel 6. This is channel 7. This is channel 8. This is channel 9. And this is channel 10. If you don't understand where is the channel, you can also press the key to see the menu, setup menu. You can see this display. So this is channel 1 to channel 10. If I press this is channel 1. You can see this channel 1 signal display is changed. Channel 1, channel 4, and this buttons. So this is confirm which the channel and the output channel is right. So we can test the channel 1. Channel 1 left and right, we can connect with this module to use this oscilloscope to. So we use this channel 1, send the signal and the output. We can test by the oscilloscope to see the signal. The first step, we need to connect the VCC and GND to the Arduino board. This is the Arduino board. We will use this 5 voltage and the GND ground to the receive module. And another side, we will use the 3, 5, 6 pin for the digital PWM signal to test the channel output. The first step, this is red is 5 voltage and this is ground. So I connect to this receive module. This is the top is the VCC, the power supply. You can see the VCC is the middle and the right. So we can connect to this. This is VCC and this is ground. Okay, this is the antenna. This is antenna for 2.4 gigahertz. So we use a USB cable. USB cable connect to this. Okay, you can see this red LED is on, receive board is began to work. And at this time, And at this time, you can see the receive mode. This is signal quality. If I remove the power, you can see this will not display the receive mode. If I power on, you can see it detect the receive module. So we use a signal from channel 1. Channel 1, the S. This S means the signal output, and the GND ground. So we can use this orange to signal and the yellow to the ground. And now we use this test. And the yellow is ground. Okay, now we can test for this. We can connect to this. Connect to this pin. You can see when I channel 1 turn left and turn right, you can see this screen. Turn right and turn left. So the frequency of the pulse will be changed. If you try to another one, they will not output because this is only for the channel 1. I turn left, right, left, right, left, and right. So this is the output signal of our country, the left and the right. So when we know this principle of the remote and the receive module, so we just count the input pulse of the channel 1, so we can judgment the key is on the left or on the right. Now we can close the device and we can connect these two lines to pin 3. The orange signal. The orange signal I connect to pin 3. This is our remote channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we can see the Arduino program. We have defined the channel 1 is pin 3, so we connect the Arduino board pin 3. And we also connect the channel 5 and the channel 6. Channel 5 is this, and the channel 6 is this. And the first I have read the program. If you need the code, source code, you can leave a message to us. We can send to you. And you can see the command. I can enable this command. We can use this pulse in. This is the Arduino function. It can count the pulse input from the channel 1. And we can display by the serial port display, and every 2 seconds we can scan and detect these points. So we can download the program, upload, and we can see the loadout. Okay, download, complete. Then we can open the serial monitor, and you can see this clear because I have write another functions. You can see this number. This number is channel 1's number. This is default. So when I use the channel 1, I turn left. When I turn left, you can see the number is 1005 and 1006. Maybe have some different, it's no problem. So when I turn the right, and this command is I already sent to the relay board. So you can see is 1981. 1981, this is the number when I turn the right. So I recover to the middle position. You can see the number is recovered to the 15 and 50. So you can see the number is changed when in the middle and in the left and in the right. So we can just according to the number to judgment, we need to turn on and turn off which relay and do your operation. So this is very easy if I have know the number of the output. So we can disable this command. I have read the code just judgment the different number according to this. In different number and judgment, the relay is on and the off. So I have write the 3 channel 5, 6, and 1. 3 channel to control our relay board. The program, you can see the details because I need to save the time. I will use the Arduino board by the RS-232 module to connect to our relay board. I'll show you the result. This is RS-232 and the TTL convert module. This is a TTL level, and this is RS-232. We will connect to this point, but at the first we need to connect to this line to the Arduino serial port. So we can use 4 lanes. 4 lanes. Okay, we can power off. This is 3.3 voltage, and this is G and D ground. Okay, and these 2 lines connect to this TX and the IX. TX and the IX. Okay, and this board also have GND, TX, IX, and the VCC. And the VCC is the green. So we use this. This connect to VCC. And the ground is blue. And now have the IX and TX. This is important. The Arduino's IX need connect to our modules TX. This need connect to the TX. And the Arduino's TX connect with these modules IX. So we can connect as this. This is complete. When it's complete, we can connect to this RS-232 point. And I have not connected to this ground because I have already used this ground at the same time. So not needed to connect this ground. So I put in this way and connect to this line. USB cable is for power supply. This is channel 5. And this is channel 6. Channel 5 is this one. Channel 5 is pin 5. Channel 5. And the channel 6. Okay, this is complete. Channel 5 and channel 6. Okay, now you can see I can use this switch to turn on the relay 1, and use this to turn on the relay 2, and use this turn on relay 3, turn off relay 3, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. So you can define any switch and any channel just according to your program, Arduino program, to control every relay or do other things. This is how to use AirPlay radio remote to control your relay box by the Arduino board. It's very easy, and you just according to the channel information, output information, to do any your logical control. So you can decide what you need to do, and you can use this. You can use this remote to control anything, because this remote and this radio receive mode, it can distance about 1 kilometer. It's very far. So because it's for AirPlay, so you can use this. So you can use this way for many applications. Thanks for watching.